Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do the DIY slime.
Yeah, we're gonna try different shampoos.
Yeah, I'm using
sprinkles.
Yep, I'm using the same one from the last video.
I'm using the strawberry shampoo. It's my friend's.
I'm using protein.
Pantene.
You get it.
Pantene.
Repair and protect with Keratinite protection.
And we will need shampoos, salt,
Sprinkles. And toothpicks. And
something to mix.
I'm using this
We're
because
using
it's
toothpicks.
easier
Yeah, we're using toothpick.
for me.
So everyone grab one toothpick.
Well, two.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys.
I only got one. Really?
Okay, so we are going to squirt our shampoo in.
Nope, not too much.
I know, like last time. So I'm gonna use this much
Yep,
right
not
now.
using that much.
I'm using this much for right now.
I am going to be doing the salt. So they like to drown their shampoo in the salt, which makes it turn into water.
Protein is like
Pantene.
Pantene!
Pantene is like hers almost. Except for you see it stays. Unlike hers. So this is like gonna be an experiment basically. Which
Yeah.
one does better?
But then it's a DIY.
But at the same time it is.
Yeah.
First, before you add the sprinkles, you want to mix up.
Yeah. We were gonna do
I'm sorry,
glitter.
Garth. I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna have to add some more shampoo. I don't know. It's like still all watery.
That's not.
Okay, I'm gonna have to add some more shampoo, guys. Oh, okay.
Pantene.
Is mine one that's winning right now?
I don't know. Look at Pantene.
Me and Pantene's between. Let's see who wins. Mine?
I'm gonna lose.
Pantene. Yeah, she has a 2-in-1.
Guys, can I use one of yours?
No.
Can I get a different shampoo?
No. That's in the next video.
Look!
If we do a redo. First, let's finish this one. Now,
So, I swear.
I might need some more.
just wait.
Whoa!
Oh! Holy crap!
You're supposed to get rid of the bubbles.
Oops.
Dude!
That has to work.
Let me see it.
Pour soap.
Like you're gonna need lotion.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna use lotion. Let me go get it.
I'm gonna add my pink sprinkles now. Uh-oh, Pantene. What?
I think it needs some more salt.
I'm going to go get
Give me the
lotion.
salt.
I'm getting the lotion.
Don't trust me ever with salt.
She will drown it where it will be a fail.
Sorry, guys.
Shoot, I think I drowned it.
Lotion.
Pantene, I drowned in you!
Well, it looks like, guys, I'm winning.
Pantene!
Yes, guys, you can add this with glue, but it don't work as good as just the shampoo and salt. Look!
Okay.
Pink shampoo! Pink shampoo!
Okay, guys, I'm back with the lotion.
That's all the sprinkles do is pink. It just changes your color.
That lotion?
I got pink shampoo!
I'll be right back, guys. I'm going to change to lotion.
I might as well do the same.
Yes,
Look at this.
my lotion.
I win! I win! There's 3 rounds, and I won the first one.
You what?
Fail for Pantene.
Ew, I just got it on myself. Hurry up. I will be right back. I will be right back. Because apparently I win, so I have to redo this now.
Haha! Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get set up. So yeah, guys. What the heck? I can't get this soap off.
Guys, right now mine's already turning into slime.
Stop bragging.
Bragging?
You are.
Bragging. Okay. Oh, shoot!
Did you just say what I think you just said?
What?
Instead of bragging.
No. Okay, guys, I'm still on my first round, so I have to set up.
No, second round, because you two lost. Second round. I won.
Stop bragging!
I'm just telling you.
But I'm using lotion because it's thicker.
Yep, and we're gonna see if
Somebody try that.
we're gonna see if shampoo works better than lotion or lotion works better than shampoo. And if that don't work, we might change to conditioner.
This is what I'm using.
Oh. Aww.
Back off.
I'm gonna use that.
Pantene.
Let's see which one wins after
Stay.
this. After this, we might be switching to conditioner.
Oh!
I have my conditioner because mine came in a set, so I have my conditioner. Let's see if mine still works. So, let's see. Okay, let's start. I'm using the same one.
I'm using
This.
Okay, let me read it.
Carousel.
Extra 5-in-1 lotion. Holy moly!
Clear Cell 5-in-1 lotion.
And basically,
Block pores, pimple size. Blocks the oil.
I've
Block
seen
marks.
marks and blackheads.
It blocks almost everything that you
Okay,
can get.
guys.
It blocks almost everything that you can get. through-
I'm back again with green.
Yep, and this time
And I'm still with blue.
I'm still with pink.
Bubbles. Okay, so I'm gonna.
Okay.
One,
Oh my god.
two,
I can already tell that this is not gonna turn into
four.
slime.
Well, you want to store it first?
Guys, you guys are gonna win.
Maybe not.
Are you still using the same shampoo? You bad Skylin.
I don't know. Might just might be a million maker. Million maker.
Okay, can I use someone's shampoo a little?
No,
A little.
you choose lotion.
A little.
Nope, you choose lotion.
Can I get a little squirt?
No.
Sure. Thank you. Yay.
You're gonna make her win.
How do you know? I need more salt.
Okay.
I think I do. Do I need more salt?
Guys, since mine's all stirred up, I'm gonna add the sprinkles.
Can you put some more salt?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't be trusted with salt.
Okay, guys. You know, lotion doesn't work. So I'm going with something.
Hey,
What
it might
is
have
the
to be in the freezer or fridge for a little, so that's what I'm going to.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, guys, we're going to leave that in there for 2 minutes.
We all are. Let's see which one turns out as slime. So 2 minutes to you guys will be like 2 seconds. So we'll be right back.
Okay, guys, we're back. And we have 3 secret ones that we're not gonna tell you.
What you guys are gonna guess is which one do you think is gonna turn out better?
Okay, we are going to tell you guys. I have Infusion
23.
23. The green one.
It's the salon hair care, and I have Save Professionals.
With I'll get oil and creatine. I don't know if this one's better than the blue because I have the blue one, and it is with moisturized repellination or something.
I have Save Professionals, and it helps with frizzy or dry hair.
Which I would like say that you should use this because these three are really good, but they're hard to open.
Because I haven't used it.
Oh. We knew that. Okay, so
There's 2 for you. There's 2 for you, and there's 2 for me.
so what we're gonna do?
We're not even in this one. We're not even gonna tell you which one.
Ones?
You have to put it down in the comments below.
No, I kind of want to show them.
We'll tell you who comes in second place.
Hopefully, it's me.
So
So,
let's get started.
are you using my lines? She's using my lines.
No, I always do it.
She's using my lines. So this is conditioner, guys.
How come you give me barely little of salt?
That's how it's supposed to be. Even my computer isn't working out well.
Okay, maybe there's gonna be 4 rounds.
Mine kind of is.
I think
Yeah.
I'm gonna lose this round. My conditioner isn't working out so well.
Okay, I'm gonna have to.
Oh, I got it, guys. I got it, guys. Yep, I got it.
I need a little more salads.
I got this, guys.
But there is gonna be 4 rounds instead of 3.
Already at like 12 minutes.
I know.
I got this, guys. I know my conditioner wouldn't give up on me.
Mm-hmm. Sure. Oh, I'm kind of getting it.
No, I'm losing.
You are?
Yes.
For conditioning.
I don't know if I need more of